Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you will find by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English first paper class for class 80 students. Our today's topic, Cloze Test with Clues 1 to CW. So let's see my dear students, our today's topic, class 8, subject English first paper. Topic, Cloze Test with Clues 1 to CW. Lecture 9, SW will be 6, half-yearly examination, and teacher Ariful Islam. Today's date 10/3/2021. So let's see my dear students. You can see our today's topic, Cloze Test with Clues, question number 6 in your syllabus, half-yearly exam, lecture 9. So read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. Okay. So first, the rule is first we have to read the words given in the box. Mind, sorrowful, for, very, suitable, lead, without, enjoyable, all, are, among, many. So let's solve the Cloze test without clues. So physical exercise means the regular movement of different parts of the body. It is dash essential for our body as well as our dash. So it is dash essential. So subject, verb, adjective, everything present in this sentence. So in this case, we can use adverb, and adverb will be used here. So it is very essential, not only essential. Number one, A will be very. So it is very essential for our body as well as our dash. So our is a possessive pronoun here. After our, we have to use a noun. So as it is very essential for our body as well as our mind. Number two answer will be mind. After our, always we have to put a noun. It keeps our body active and strong. There are dash kinds of physical exercises. So many kinds of physical exercises. Many. Number C will be many. But all kinds of physical exercises are not dash for the people of dash ages. So are not dash for. So suitable. The word suitable take the preposition for. So are not suitable for all the people of dash ages. So here we have to use all ages people. So number D, suitable, and number E is all. Dash all other physical exercises, swimming and walking, dash suitable for all. So among other, number A will be among, this is A, among other physical exercises, swimming and walking, dash, swimming and walking are suitable for all. So in this sentence, no verb, subject and no verb here. So you have to put a verb, are suitable for all. Dash taking physical exercise, none can dash are happy and dash life. So number A will be without. So without taking physical exercise, W will be capital because this is the first letter of a sentence. Without taking physical exercise, none can. So after can, we have to put a verb. Can is a modal auxiliary verb. So none can lead. This will be lead a happy and dash life. So life is an adjective. Before we have to use life is a noun. Before we have to use adjective. It's an adjective. So here we can use enjoyable. ENJOYABLE. Number 2, read the text below and fill in the gaps using the clues given in the boxes. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. So let's read the given word. Countries, traveler, travel, natural, learned, abroad. Abroad means foreign. Through, education, long, learn, into, domain. Domain means in Bangla we can say ring, one kind of a reserved place. Traveling is very interesting. It is a part of dash. So before of there is a noun. After of we have to put a noun. So traveling is a part of our dash. Let's read the passage. Traveling is very interesting. It is a part of dash. It is a part of education. So traveling is a part of education. Education is a noun. After of we have to use a noun. From traveling, a traveler can dash many funny things and enjoy dash beauties. So from traveling, a traveler can. After can we have to use a verb. So learn here is a verb. A traveler can learn many funny things and enjoy dash beauties. So beauties is a noun. We have to use an adjective before this word. So natural beauties. Traveling gives us knowledge of home and dash. So home and abroad. Abroad means foreign. Abroad. Ibn Battuta was a great dash. So Ibn Battuta was a great traveler. Ibn Battuta was a great traveler. Okay. So in his life, he traveled many dash, and from traveling, he also dashed many things. So in his life, he traveled. The tense shift to past tense because past indefinite tense. He traveled many dash countries. Number 8 will be countries. And from traveling, he also learned. This also will be past indefinite tense because we have shifted to past indefinite tense. Past. So students should. Then again shifted to present tense. So students should dash their level best to widen the dash of their practical knowledge dash traveling. So students should. After should we have to put a verb. So students should travel. Number 8 will be travel. Students should travel their level best to widen the dash of knowledge. So after the we have to use a noun here in this sentence. The dash of we have to put a noun. So the domain of knowledge. D-O-M-A-I-N. Number I. Domain of their practical knowledge through traveling. Number J. Through traveling. So my dear students, that is our today's lecture. Let's see the SW. SW6 submit on Saturday. Cloze test with clues question number 3. Only answer. You will write only an answer. So let's read the given word. I am not pointing. Community, this education, though, thought, assist, ease, challenge people, the literacy, country, and illiteracy. Inability to read and write is dash. Number A, dash. It hinders all development works of number B, dash, government. The literacy rate of Bangladesh, dash, still low. We have to increase, number D, rate for the development of the E, dash, full stop. The whole development cannot be dash, number F, dash, of keeping the large number of dash, number G, illiterate. Government alone cannot meet this dash, number A is dash, without the participation of the literate. Literate, dash. Okay, to assist the government for the dash, number J, of literacy is a social responsibility. So my dear students, this is the SW. That's all for today. Do your assignment SW at home and submit on Saturday 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.